Okay, today we're here at Del Taco in Canada to try their new, it's not Canada? No? Okay, hold on a second. Okay, we're here at Del Taco in Bakersfield at to try their new, that's in testing. Takis Double Del Cheeseburger. Okay, so let's open it up here. So it's, well here, you can see the Takis there on the top. There's two patties with cheese in between. It's not on top and in between. I got one tiny little tomato, a baby tomato, some shredded lettuce, and hamburgers. You get hamburger sauce. So let's try this out here. Crunchy. And messy. Lots of sauce on there. Okay, I'm getting the lime of the Takis and a little bit of the heat. Actually comes in with all this other stuff. There's a lot of sauce on here. The Takis actually kind of improve it. Improves the burger. Gives it a, well, obviously gives it a crunch, but gives it a lime taste, slight heat, so it makes it a little different than a regular, burger with just burger sauce on it. It's kind of interesting. I think the hard thing for them will be, because the Takis are round, they roll, so getting them to sit on the bun while they're assembling it. So I'm actually not in Bakersfield. I'm here in Torrance. We heard about this on Two Boom that they're well, not secretly, but quietly test marketing this new Takis Double Del Cheeseburger. And they're, I don't know if they're going to have it come out or if it's just going to stay there if it doesn't do very well. But it's actually pretty good. So you can actually do this yourself. Get a bag of Takis Fuego, Takis Fuego flavor, or if you have a different flavor that you like of Takis, you can use that one. Just put them on the top. They do roll those. You would have to, it's easier if you kind of hold the bun and then to hold them in it one at a time and put them on top of the meat. So I think this is actually a pretty good concoction they came up with. It's rather easy, but it tastes pretty good. So I think I'll give it an A because it actually tastes really good. And the burger, let me see, the burger itself, I didn't just taste the burger patty. They're really thin patties, so you're never going to get a like a medium rare if you wanted it, but it's not too bad. Not really all that dry. Of course, they give you all the sauce too, so that helps too. They didn't skimp on the sauce. And the little, what do you call them? Chopped them. Well, there's onions too, chopped onions. So, if you want to make one of these yourself, it's easy to do. So, let's see. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, And then click on the notification bell and then click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite and I'll see you in the next one. Oop. All over my face.